You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go into the light. I feel the calming energy.
Well, guys, that was the last drive for the 350Z for a little over 2 years. I will be starting school on Monday. By the time you guys see this, I've been in school for a while now. So I will keep you guys updated on Instagram. Instagram will be the most up-to-date information once I am in school. Of course, you guys shouldn't have any interruption to videos. You've seen a bunch of videos since I started, and I will get back to the Z as soon as I possibly can. I gotta say, I did get a little sentimental on that last drive there, backing into the driveway. We definitely had a moment, but I'm gonna be putting her up on jack stands, dropping all the coolant out, changing the oil, getting everything ready to go, so that when I come back in a little over 2 years, we can put her back down on the ground, fire her up, and she should run the first time. So thank you so much for watching all the videos up to this point, and I'm looking forward to a future of many, many more.